This is a way you can make over $50 a day using Chat GPT. This Chat GPT, you'll be using it to make so much on Fiverr, $50 at least every day. So these are what people are doing, and you don't need to have that skill. ChatGPT is going to do everything for you. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use ChatGPT to make $50 per day, and how you can rephrase the word ChatGPT has given you, because you can't use it directly. It's not going to rank. Do you get? You can see what this guy said. This guy is collecting $35 on a basic charge is doing for them, a basic. So let's see what is inside. For the basic is collecting $35, but let's see the premium. You come to add standard. Let's see for standard, and let's see for premium. Okay, he's collecting $90 for standard. You can see, yeah, then he's collecting $125 for premium. You can see what this guy is doing. You can see you put your picture, and if you are a female, you can do this. This is work out for you. And if you are a guy as well, it's going to work. Everyone can do it. That's just the true thing. If you are old or you are young, anybody can do this. So I will do YouTube. What you'll be doing, you'll be writing YouTube descriptions. Like when you go to YouTube, let's come to YouTube. So this is what I meant by description. This is what I meant by description. You can see this thing. So that's what I meant by description. So once you click on this icon, once you click on show more, this is description. You can see this person did not even write any much description. He not even write much. So that's the same thing we are going to be doing. But before you continue, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Click on this subscribe button. Make sure you click on it and turn on the notification bell icon. And make sure you like the video as well, guys. Just do that for me so we can continue with that. So let's see how much this guy is. You can see this. Okay, let me show you a gig that I created. Let me show you. The gig was actually saturated. So before you can create a gig on Fiverr, what you should watch out for is look at how many search available. You can see this is having what? This is having. So let's go back. Let's go to how you are going to do it. So what you do, let me assume that this is my gig. I created this gig yesterday. You can see I'm having 30 impressions. This one I'm having 235 what impressions. Okay, let me show you how you are going to be doing. Let me go to edit. So you are going to go to edit. So I'll be showing you step by step on how you are going to do this. So the first thing you click on the title of your gig. So that's the first thing, the title of your gig. I will design. How do you get here? The first thing you need to do is to create an account with Fiverr. You create an account, you put your CV, you put your description about you. Let me go to my profile so I will show you about me. So when you do that, then you can continue with. So the title of your description, the category. What's the category? So what you need to do is you put the category of what? YouTube. Do you get? So let me assume I'm creating another gig here. You come here, my business, you come to my business. But if you are using your phone, make sure you put your phone in desktop mode so you'll be able to do it. You can't do it without putting it in desktop mode. So you click on create a gig. You can see. So after you create an account, you click on what? Create a gig. So what you need to do is just watch what other people are doing. I will do YouTube what? Video SEO, keyword title, description. So let me copy what this guy, the title of this guy. Let me copy his title, so I'll just use it for my title as well. So I won't be wasting much time. Just copy the guy's title, then use it for your own title as well. So copy it, come back to your, then paste it, the same title. Then what's the category? You come to what? YouTube. Just look for YouTube. All right. So after putting the title, you put the category. The category is writing and transcription bar. So you can look for category that really fits. But for me, it's writing and transcription. Then you put social media what copies. So social media copy. Then you are doing three things here. You are putting the purpose. So the purpose is engagement. You get engagement. Then I put others. You can put other ones. Then what platform are you going to be doing? What platform are you going to be involved in? So I'm going to be involved in only YouTube. You get? You can do other ones anyhow you feel. Then the positive keyword. So you have maximum of 5 keywords here. So YouTube description. So keywords is when somebody search for it, your gig, so that your gig is going to appear as number one, as a top search gig. That's why this one is there. So you put the tags that you want, then you click on save and continue. So You can see title cannot can contain. Okay, okay. Title should not contain I will. I will is already there. So that was the error there. So you will copy somebody's. You can actually use ChatGPT to help you get a very good title for your for the title of your gig. So wait for this. So here this thing was turned off. You turn it on. Make sure you turn it on. So what's the title of your basic gig? What are you doing in your basic? So let me look at what this guy is doing in his basics. One video, please contact me. Is he doing oh, I said YouTube description. Okay. So I noticed that this guy was talking about video. He's going to be making a video. So this is another person that is going to be look at the basic title. Save up to 10% with suggestion to. So one SEO video description and tag one video. So this is what I'll be using as my own. Just take your time. We can't be copying someone's gig. Just take your time to do your own, not just copying. So make sure you fill out everything. So let me assume that you have a description. You put your description here. Then the delivery time, how many days? Let me see how many days this guy is using. So this guy said 1 day. Yes, you can actually do it within 1 day because this is what is going to help you do it. Then after that, you have about your gig. So this about your gig, just copy this person's own. Just copy this person's own. Then there is something I want you to do. Don't use exactly the way this person use it. Don't use exactly the way the person use it. So this is where we are coming to the description of our gig. So just let me just put anything here. You can do the rest yourself. So all right, so you can see what I actually did here. You put the title of what you are going to be doing in the basic, what you are going to be doing in the standard, and what you are going to be doing in the premium. Then you put the description of what you are going to that talks more on what you are going to be doing in each of those sections. Then after that, you put your delivery days. Then you put your price. Then if you have extra charges you want to put, you can add it. So you click on save and continue. Then this will lead you to the description. But before you can don't make sure you don't write description from your head. You use chat. We are going to be using chat GPT because those are the basic things that will let your gig to be copy. What you do is you can copy his description. So for you to be able to get more sales over here, you just need to copy and model, not copying actually, just model after what other people are doing, model and use it, make it your own style. Don't copy exactly what they are doing, make it your own style. So what I'm going to tell this to do for me, you come up here, you tell it to um help me rewrite this in a short form. So you tell it to help you rewrite this in a short form, then you put your quotation mark, and you come to the end of it, still put your what quotation mark so that it's going to understand what I meant. So you wait for it to help you write. Let me just pause the video. So this is what it has written for me, but you will need what we call a tag because people can't just read like this. And so you come here, but after doing that you come to this quickbot. You come to quickbot. Is a site that is used for rephrasing. Make sure you don't use exactly the way it's put it there. So come to this site. It's called quickbot. You can see it's quickbot. It helps you to rephrase it because it's not going to rank. Google is not going to rank it. Google already has a tool that helps to battle AI generated content. So you copy this, then you come to your description and you paste it. Then you can work more on your description because is um this is very hard to read. You can leave more space. You put your If you want to put your bold stuff, you can come here, make it bold. You put your light to make it lighter. You can see what I meant. Then what I advise is make sure you list some of your services, like make it a list. So let me come to this. Let it tell me make a list of the services offer provided above. Then you press enter. So it's going to write a list for you that you are going to use. Exactly, that's what I want. So it's going to write a list for, that's why I like ChatGPT. So just copy this list, because this is where people are going to come to and come and read. You don't want to read too much. So we need a list. So you come here, still come here, you remove this, you paste it, then you press enter. So you click on paraphrase. It's going to paraphrase it for you. So just copy the way it has paraphrased this for you. Just copy this and come here, then you paste it. Then you can start putting your number one, number two, and so on. You get, you can start leaving your lines, number one, number two, number three, and number four. Do you get? Then make sure you highlight it. Make sure you do some highlight, like these are my services and so on. You can highlight this so they will understand what you are saying. So you highlight this. So you get, so you work more on that part. So I won't be doing so much. Then you click on what? You can add your FAQ and other things. So what you need to do for your gig to rank, just let me I will talk more on that. So for your gig to rank, make sure you put the keyword of what you are doing. This is YouTube description bar. You put in your description, you put it in your FAQ, you put it in your questions and answers. So you put it there. You get, so these are questions. So you have to put at least a question. So so you can ask more questions like, will you send me your YouTube channel? That should be my question, not send me your YouTube channel. So but because of this stuff, so let's just put this. You can pull answers form. This answers form. Is the person going to write back to you? Is he going to put an image? If you want the person to send you an image of his YouTube channel, you go to attachment. But if you want the person to write back in answer form, you put your text. Then you click on what? Save and continue. You must add at least one requirement. Okay. So let's add one more questions. One more. There are two questions. There are two questions. So let me pause the video so I will I've added I've added the questions. So you are going to come here. This is where you put your image that will be displayed for people to see. So the three things that works are your image, your title, and your tags. You have to work more on that tag so that it's going to rank more. So for you to put more an eye-catching image or an eye-catching design, you come to Canva. So if you want to purchase Canva Pro, you come to Canva, then you download the template you need. So this was one I downloaded. So that's what I'm going to be adding here. So if you want to buy Canva Pro, just go to the description section. It's not much. If you want to buy Canva Pro on the app, it's just $12 per month. But I'm not selling mine for $12 per month. Mine is just as low as something you can purchase. So just go to the description. It's not even up to that price. Just go to the description section so you can get it. So you can add more pictures. But for that, I won't be adding so much. Then you click on save and continue. So you come to the next page where you why okay, I'm almost done. Okay, why is it not okay? Let me just save. Okay, I'm done actually. I'm done. You just click on save and preview over here. So click on that. So in case you are not able to publish your image, I'm asked to take a test before I can continue. So it actually